Lata, quickly, what are the companies that will immediately or that are expected to come into L&T, as you said, would be in
I think all the NBFCs will want. I mean, I wouldn't expect, wouldn't an Edelweiss apply? Would not L&T Finance apply? I would assume all the NBFCs will want to take a jab at it.
Okay, let's get in a quick word from Siddharth Purohit. Siddharth, you heard Lata pointing out the various features of the guidelines. Your initial reaction, and do you expect significant companies to actually get the license?
We will definitely go through the details of what guidelines comes up further. But looking from the basic guidelines, what it seems is that there will be another queue of applicants coming in the coming days. However, having said that, I would say that when we saw for the run for small finance bank, we saw almost 72 applicants. But RBI was very selective, and finally the license were given to only 10 players after a lot of, your criteria being washed. So though there will be many applications, I believe this time around again, looking at all the qualitative parameters, the final number of license may not be that high. And for all NBFC, it really may not make great sense, because again you have to comply with all the regulatory aspects.
So like you expect all the NBFCs to queue up?
Yeah, a lot of NBFC could queue up, but definitely there are certain NBFCs who are very specialized, may not be really interested, given the stringent regulations in terms of your PSL lending as well as your CRR, SLR maintenance. So certainly it's not a easy job getting license, setting up a bank from day one, and that has been proved. So possibly we need to look for more details of the guidelines and possibly,
your suggestions are welcome. I believe the Reserve Bank says that June 30th is the last date for receiving suggestions, and thereafter I guess the final guidelines will be out perhaps in a couple of months.
Alright, let's go back to the big story though of the day. The Lok Sabha has finally passed the insolvency and bankruptcy bill, to be precise. Now the bill